ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಶಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಪ್ರಥಮ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಹಾಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ RC ಕಾರ್ ನನ್ನ ಚಾನಲ್.
Hobby grade RC cars are like, for example, this car can go up till 30-35 kilometers per hour. In hobby grade cars, the advantages, because they have a different type of constructions where you can upgrade the parts. If I want to upgrade the battery, I can put a more powerful battery. If I want to upgrade the motor, for example, this is a brushless motor. If you want a more advanced motor, it will be brushless motor with sensor.
Okay.
So you can keep upgrading your car, and if anything breaks, you can replace that specific component. So these all usually people below 20, 18 buy these for recreational purposes.
Okay.
So in this we have about 15 to 20 models right now. Can go up to 68 kilometers per hour. And there are two different categories. One is crawlers. Crawlers are the ones that have low speed, but they can climb on rocky surface.
So it's off-road mostly.
Mainly off-road crawlers. And these are high-speed cars that can go from 35 to 60, 70 kilometers per hour. These we have this thing, JCB's cranes as well.
Okay.
Big size. These are also hobby grade. For example, this is a high-speed car again with brushless motor. But for example, if you want to upgrade the remote also, you can upgrade the remote. One second. So in this you can see all the components are separate, right?
Yeah.
Check the manual. I've given detailed instruction as to what component is where. So later when you want to customize your car or upgrade your car, this will help you out. What kind of screw is used, what kinds of rods are used.
So for upgrade, like the parts, you provide it, or like is it available outside also?
It's available outside. Currently we've not gotten into parts yet. Basic spares like batteries, motors, we have few options. But A to Z parts we've not gotten to yet. Press this button. This is an example of a hobby grade car.
So this one, like how much runtime does it provide?
These maximum 25 to 30 minutes only. But the advantage is you can buy multiple batteries. You can upgrade your batteries. At every price point. For example, these drift cars, 2495 is the MRP. We have wall climbing cars also, so this will climb on the wall. And we have this 360-degree one also. 360-degree. Okay. Then for kids, we have this one with construction. So you'll have blocks, so you have to assemble the blocks and build your car.
ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಬರೀ RC ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಕಂತಾನೆ ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ಗೊಡೌನೇ ಇದೆ ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ. ತೋರ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ನೀವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೂ ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಇಸ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡೈಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ಸ್ ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಸರ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
Nikhil.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಾಪ್ ಹೆಸರು ಸರ್?
Paragon Sales Agency. We are located in Majestic. So we'll give you a contact number where you can just drop the number, you'll get the location.
Like what all toys do you cover, sir?
So we have RC cars, we have fancy stationery, return gifts item, we have Diecast collection, we have board games as well. There are 4 different sections. You'll find different items for almost all age groups.
Okay. And you mentioned about RC cars, right? So in RC cars you have like all licensed products and every type of RC cars.
So RC cars nalli nama hatra normal cars ಇದೆ starting from 500-600. If you want hobby grade cars, we have hobby grade cars starting from 7,000-8,000. If you want mini drift cars, mini metal die-cast cars, we have those as well. A to Z collection.
Okay, all right, sir. Everybody trying to reach you out to buy. How is it, sir? Is it like only offline purchase or online purchase also there?
So you can DM us on our Instagram page, or we'll give you a contact number where you can reach out to us. By chance ನೀವು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಐಟಮ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇದೆ, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ.
Okay.
So you get to know the difference between different products, at what price point, what kind of products you can make.
Okay. And is there any discounts?
There is discounts for everyone, regardless of whether you follow us or not.
Okay.
So do visit.
Okay. All right, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.